We're taking the truck today. It's a hot one, and we got a chance of showers when we'll be out. Buckle up. Hot, man. Let's go. Look at that beautiful sky. Hey, you guys like gas station Fatwood, don't you? Check this out. Come here all the time. I got some red pine and Austrian pine side by side. And the branches on these things are badass. So let me turn the camera around. You see that mother right there? Oh. I guarantee you, maybe not today, I'll steal that sucker. Look at the juice on that. This is a red pine, by the way. Excuse me, this is an Austrian pine. Let's do a comparison here. Okay. Here's your Austrian pine right there. And here's your red pine. Red pine. Red pine needles will snap when you bend them, and they're longer, spikier, like spiky balls. Look at them freaking branches in there, man. The size of them things. Doesn't that just make your mouth water? Is she juicy under there? So we got red pines right here, and then over here we got the Austrian pines. There you go. Now do you see the difference between the Austrian pine and the red pine? The needles aren't as long and they go straight up. They kind of fan out. So beautiful. Looky, it's like a little pineapple. Ow, I let go and I spiked myself. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Gone just like that. Metal detector guys out there.
Cool.
Yeah, they're parked way over there. Everybody's out this weekend. Man, look at those pines.
Whatever the excuse is to get outside, just do it.
Just do it. You tell them, Steve.
Just do it.
Get outside. Whee!
Get the stink blown off you.
Get the stink blown off you and smell some pines if you can find some. We got us some hot, unstable weather. We gotta watch the skies for the next hour and a half. What is it?
Piece of steel. Probably off a plow.
Yeah. Gonna look on the ground for knots. Oh yeah, yes, yes. I see knots. My God, look at all those pine knots. Oh. Well, if you could see my heart meter right now. My gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. This is too perfect. I found your tree. Your coat tree. Oh my God, look at all those knots coming up out of the ground. Look at that sinkhole. Has something to do with the pipe over here. My God. Oh my God. This camera just doesn't do it justice, guys. My God. Oh. All these loose pine knots on the ground. I'm so glad we brought the truck. And it's cooling down a little from the cloud coverage. I just hope the weather prediction was wrong and we don't get a downpour. Oh, look how solid this tree trunk is. Look how solid. None of these knots are any good. Wow. Look at this knot. My God. Look at that. Look at this old spruce. There's the one we saw from the road. Oh my God, look at all these pine cones. Oh my God. Notice I'm moving a little faster? Oh my God. Can you believe that? You can keep your Mega Millions, guys. This right here is the shit. My God. And look at the top of it. It's an Austrian pine, so it's always got cooler fatwood at the top. Wow. I found the actual tree top. This whole tree's intact except for the part standing up. How cool is that? Oh my God. Okay, guys. Now I've been learning since I've been cutting slices and making discs, those rounds. All those veins right there like that will make the most beautiful patterns of rounds. Look at the piece down below. My God. This will keep me busy all summer. This branch went right into the ground and busted. That one's in the ground. Wow. My God. This is where it's broke at. Ugh. Smacked in the face. You see all the freebies on the ground? Should have brought the wheelbarrow. Wow. Beautiful. And it just keeps going and going and going. And so does those.
Is it good?
Yeah, there's one I pulled up not too far from here.
Here, Charlie, take that to the truck. We're close to the house. Stand there and hold the camera. Wow, look at this one. Yeah,
Look how
pretty
big.
good too, huh?
Look. I'm also doing this.
So that one.
And there's also a hole. Another hole. Glass jar. I don't know why, but there's a lot of trash.
Come over here, Charlie.
Why is there so much trash on the ground, dang it?
Yeah, there's a lot of trash.
I just found that.
Charlie, look what I just found. Follow me.
Whoa! That's really cool. I'm getting that.
I'm going to get my saw.
Wow.
Look at all that.
I know. Is this enough pine cones?
Yes, that's enough pine cones. Thank you, Charlie.
You're welcome. Sorry about my slowness.
Oh, take your time. You don't need to get all cut up. That's all.
I turned it on and it didn't turn on.
Oh, I was watching you and I was waiting and it looked like you had it.
Are you ready?
Thanks for trying.
Are you ready?
Yeah. It almost looks resinous, but not very much. Those pine knots are resinous. Might as well take this one too. Alright, let's back up a little.
Okay, I'll cut right here.
Okay.
And then that should be it.
Yep, that'll be it. Hey, I'm standing on that. You'll make me fall over. Yeah, there's resin in the core. It's not saturated, but it's resinous. Yeah?
I think you were just stepping over a piece of booger.
I was standing on that and I kicked it over. You think it's booger?
I think it's booger.
Cool. We'll put that in the bag too. Hey, that's the booger I stepped on.
Ooh.
It's actually just a sapwood.
Okay.
Okay, let's bag it up and go.
You should.
Thank you.
And we also have freebies too.
Yeah, lots of freebies. Are you close? That's what she holds right
Whoa!
there. Get real close.
Woo!
Can you smell it? Bones Yard, smell the pine.
Well, let's get out there and
It's sprinkling. We're making a bag for our boogers is that bag hole free? We got a truckload. Thanks for your help, Charlie. Woohoo! Backfired. Whee! Look at them pines, man. That guy's got some nice pines. Beautiful. Hold on. Don't backfire now. We got a horse and carriage.
What? Those are still legal?
Don't scare the horsey. Now what in the world are we gonna do with all of this fatwood? Damn, Charlie, that one sounded a little wet. Hey, I forgot to shut the door. Do birds fart? Man, what a beautiful sight.
And a beautiful noise.
And I think this might be solid enough to make a coat tree out of it. I hope so. There's that pine pitch you found. There's definitely some pitch in there. Huh? Oh, and the one on over there?
On the bed, your corner.
Cool. Look at that. Amber resin. More boogers. All right. Cool.
Can I use this one?
Well, first we got to show the fatwood that we got, right? Because we got to have a burn, because this was a pretty epic fatwood hunt, wasn't it?
Yep.
This is what we're going to burn. We're going to test out this Austrian pine. We're going to fire it up. Here's another piece from the same tree. Even darker. Beautiful piece. Great stuff. Now, Charlie, if you want to be seen, this is the center. This is the center of the picture on the camera. So, yeah, there you go. What do you got there? Multi-tool?
Yep.
Are you using a little knife?
Yeah, but it does help a little bit.
Those little slices are going to be easy. You know, sometimes you can brace your knife like this, you know, and brace it and brace your arm really good. And sometimes if you point it down enough, you can cut like this. See that?
Mm-hmm.
But you gotta brace it right and you gotta aim it upwards. Another way you can do it, yeah, give it a try.
Right knife, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
There's another cool way you can do it. Now this isn't a good table to do it on, but if I'm on a piece of wood, I can hold my knife like this, and I can shave it too.
Oh, well, this is a little bit easier for mine,
Yeah?
right?
Put it right here so you're in the picture. Nice. Beautiful. I think that's enough, Charlie. That's a good job. Sweep them up. There you go. Put them on the plate.
I don't think that is enough.
Yeah, it is. You gotta learn about fatwood. All you need is that little bit, and you've got it so nice and fluffy. Watch this. I'm gonna use your dad's ferro rod.
Can I do it?
Oh, you're gonna get a turn, but that's all you need, see? And that gives you enough time to set your little sticks on there.
This knife's sharp.
It's very sharp. You did an awesome job.
Thank you.
Now it's your turn. Time to make some more shavings, huh? You and your dad can take a turn. Ooh. I gotta see what your dad's up to over here. Sure is a nice knife you have.
Thank you.
That's almost like Maya dust. Would you like some big curls? I'll take some out of this rich stuff for you if you'd like.
I'll also do this too.
I gotta watch where my knife's at though, so I don't get you. Holy smokes, look at the resin.
Whoa.
It's brown.
Whoa.
It looks like wax. You almost can't tell. Wow. I don't know. Right there.
Look, stab, stab.
There you go.
Look how nice and fluffy.
There, I got some killer shavings for you right here.
I
This
do
stuff's
too.
gonna sizzle.
This is too.
You're gonna be doing some serious sizzling, Charlie.
Okay, so that first.
Yep,
Then this on
and
the
then your
top.
perfect Maya dust on the side.
Right on top, so because that will catch on really quickly, right?
Right. I'm gonna set this right here.
This is another.
Here's a striker for you. I gotta figure out what I did with your dad's ferro rod. I might have gave it back to him. You gotta aim down. There you go, just like that. Put your Maya dust where you need it. Right here. There you go. Get it. Go, Charlie. There she goes. You know this stuff's gonna sizzle like crazy. Let's get up close. See that black smoke? You don't want that on your clothes, okay?
Oh. Look how cool that looks. And satisfying.
I'm listening for sizzle. Yeah.
Keep it burning.
Keep it burning.
Keep it burning.
Even the nuthatch said keep it burning.